Good morning. Today is Thursday, May 21st. We have a very busy week left and another busy week ahead of us. So it's so important that you keep yourself caught up. One more week to go, boys and girls. You've got this. For math today, you're going to do a video reviewing measurement, and then you're going to do a puzzle piece check-in for your understanding. So if you don't remember the simple measurement rules, I suggest you watch that video first before you do the puzzle piece. Then you're going to choose from you'll do both the assignments that are attached to the directions of finding volume with blocks, and then there's another practice sheet for finding volume without blocks. You're going to choose at least a minimum of 5 problems from each of those assignments. And then you're going to answer the questions that are in the discussion thread. And these correlate with the 2 PDFs or assignments that are attached to the directions in that folder of May 21st. Directions are very clear in there, so make sure you go and you read those directions first. For Reading Core, there will not be any new learning for Woods Runner. I'm giving you an extra day to get yourself caught up and finish that book. But remember, we need to be ready tomorrow to do our discussion for Woods Runner, and we'll do that as a live lesson. I will post the discussion questions tomorrow, and you can just look at those tomorrow before you join me at 1 o'clock. This skill lesson, and this is another reason why there is no new learning for Woods Runner today, is your summative assessment, which is, boys and girls, this is like game day. So I'm suggesting that you are taking your time working through this assessment because it is a big deal. In the folder, you will also see that there is a video explaining the directions so that if you have any confusion, you can go ahead and watch that video, and that video will talk you through the summative assessment. When you're done with that assessment, please upload that back into the assignment. This is your final showing me what you know with the learning targets that we've been working on recently. And again, this is our last week of journaling, so make sure you keep up on that journal. And if you're running out of ideas, you can click here. Social studies, no new learning. We'll be doing some new learning next week. Science, again, I'm giving you another day to just get everything uploaded, get your script completed and uploaded into Flipgrid. You will not have to upload anything else to me. All you need to do is show your learning while you tape yourself on Flipgrid. This is what's going to be graded. So I'm giving you another day for that. Again, I'm not even going to put a homeroom check-in because you're already doing a Flipgrid today that ties into your science. And I'm also giving you another break on those live lessons. So there's no live lessons or meetings today, but definitely open for business between 10 and 11 in my office hours. So come see me if you need any help. I'm going to give a shout out to Abby again. Abby M., thank you so much. Every day, her smiley face, she visits me in my office, and I so much appreciate it. She has little questions, but they are good questions. She gets them answered quickly, and that's that confidence that you need. I know some of you guys still have been sending me emails or messages about I'm confused. You need to come to my office hours so that I can help you with your confusion. If you give me a question like this, hey, Mrs. Olson, I'm confused in language arts. I'm not sure how I am supposed to answer that question, boys and girls. That's very vague. So if you're confused in language arts, what are you confused with? What do you need help? Do you need help finding something? Do you need help with the assignment? Do you need help with a skill that we're learning? That's something that you need to be clear about. So if you need any help, make sure that you come between 10 and 11. It's just much easier to walk you through things so I can see you in person. Have a happy Thursday, and we will see you in my office hours if you have any questions today. Bye.